Welcome to this technical guide on the KitchenAid. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your KitchenAid is making a strange noise, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to worn-out carbon brushes in the motor. If left untreated, it can lead to more serious damage, potentially costing you a lot more in repairs or even requiring a replacement. So, let's address this issue before it escalates. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, some replacement carbon brushes, and a soft cloth to keep your workspace clean. To begin, make sure your KitchenAid is unplugged to ensure your safety. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the machine. Take your time with this step, as forcing the screws can strip them and make future repairs more difficult. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, being careful not to damage any wires or components. You will then need to locate the motor, which is typically situated towards the back of the unit. The carbon brushes are attached to the motor and are often the source of the noise when they wear down. To access them, you may need to remove a protective cover, which is usually held in place by a few screws. After removing the cover, carefully pull out the old carbon brushes using your pliers. Be cautious not to tug on any nearby wires. When inserting the new brushes, ensure they are positioned correctly, making firm but gentle contact with the motor. Reattach the protective cover and make sure all screws are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening as it can damage the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, it's time to reassemble your KitchenAid. Align the base back onto the unit, ensuring that no wires are pinched in the process. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, and give it a final check to ensure everything is in place. Plug in your KitchenAid and listen carefully. If the strange noise has stopped, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the condition of your carbon brushes and clean the motor area to keep debris from interfering with the components. If you notice any strange sound starting again, don't hesitate to address them right away. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.